Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you, my dear students, always you are good feel and you are a will good feeling always time. My dear students, what saying this heading? This heading saying you to find the LCM and HCF. So you know already, my dear students, what is LCM and what is HCF. So I will find LCM these pairs already given in this your questions 510 and 92. So my dear students, find the factorization of 510 and 92 and but both process are different. Examples: HCF process is difference and LCM process is your difference. Okay, my dear students. So now, first step, write you solve. Find the factor of 510. My dear students, used by LCM method. 510 you know, my dear students, last digit is your 0, so this digit divisible of 5 and 2. Okay, my dear students, 2 2 the 4 remains 1 1 1 11 2 5 the 10 remains 1 1 0 10 2 5 the 10. My dear students, last digit is your 5, so this digit divisible by 3 and 5. Use by 3, divisible by 3 is the 24 remains 1 1 by 15 3 5 the 15. My dear students, last digit is your 5, but here is check. This digit divisible by 3 and 5. So my dear students, check. Divisible by 3, 3 2 the 6 remains 2 25. Not divisible by 3. So now second terms, check. Divisible by 5. 5 1 is 5, 3 remains 3, 35, 35. Okay, my dear students. So 35 is divisible by 5. 5 1 is 5, remains 3, 3 and 5 35. 5 7 is 35 and note down 17. So my dear students, 17 is itself divisible. So now 17 1 is 17. Okay, my dear students. So now here factor of 510 equal 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, my dear students. So now continue again and write up the end. My dear students, now find the factor of 92. 92. Okay, my dear students, used by LCM method. 92 last you know, my dear students, now see it here, last digit is your 2, so 92 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, remains 1 1 and 2 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. My dear students, remains 23. So you know already 23 is divisible by itself. 23 is divisible by 23. 23 was that 23. So now get here, factor of 92 is your 2 into 2 into 23. Okay, my dear students. Now what saying this heading? My dear students, this heading saying you LCM into HCF. So first term, my dear students, find the LCM. Okay, my dear students. So now for remaining, right here this factors 510, 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 and 92 is your factor. because right here 4 remaining. 2 into 2 into 20. So my dear students, so now you continue my dear students. Now it's here. Note down my dear students. So first step, write down about an LCM. LCM of 510 and 92. Okay, my dear students. So now write here factor of 510. You know already find factor of 510 will be 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and factor of 92 will be equal 2 into 2 into 23. Okay, my dear students. So here is process applying, my dear students, which are digits will be pairs and non-pairs. So you now see 2 and 2 both are that way. 2 and 2 make a pairs and other digit is not pairs. Okay, my dear students. So pair is note down here 2 and non-pair also write down here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 20. Okay, my dear students. So now 2 into 2 the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 5 the 60. 60 into 17, 7 0 0, 7 6 the 42, 1 0 0, 1 6 the 6, 0 2 10. Okay, my dear students, 1020 into 23, 60 into 17 get you 1020 and multiplication of 23 in 1020. 3 0 0, 3 2 the 6, 3 0 0, 3 1 the 3, 2 0 0, 2 2 the 4, 2 0 0, 2 1 the 2, 0 6 4 3 2. This product will be, my dear students, 23,460. Okay, my dear students. So now LCM is your 23,460 and now find your SCF. Okay, my dear students. SCF. I will do here process of SCF, only pairs note down. SCF of 510 and 92. So factor of 510 will equal 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and factor of 92 will be equal 2 into 2 into 23. Note down only pairs, my dear student. Non-pairs is not note down. So my dear students, SCF of 510 and 92 is your 2. Okay, my dear students. LCM equal 23,460 and SCA is your 2. Continue my dear students, go down. Now let's see my students. I will applying process based on in this heading. What saying in this heading? In this heading is your saying LCM into SCF equal product of both numbers. ठीक है, both numbers will be is your 510 and 92 यानी ये ठीक है product of two numbers. The first number is your 510 and second is your and LCM is your 23,460 and SCF is your okay my dear students. So now applying process based on heading. Okay my dear students, then LCM into HCF equal product of the two numbers. So my dear students, LCM is your 23,460 into SCF is your 2 and two numbers. First number is your 510 and second number is your 92. Okay my dear students. Now here I will do multiplication by 2 in 23,460. 0 0 2 6 are 12, cut 2 carry 1 2 4 are 1 9 2 3 are 6 2 3 are 4. Okay my dear students. Now 510 into 92. I will check here 2 0 0 2 1s are 2 5s are 10 9 0 0 9 1s are 9 9 5s are 45. Okay my dear students, 0 2 9 6 4. Both products get you my dear students 46,920. My dear students, LCM into SCF is your 46,920 and product of two numbers 510 and 92. To get you my dear students 46,920 is your right answer. Okay my dear students. My dear students, always you will conflict. So you are a strong voice. Okay my dear student. One day becomes a strong voice. If you weak any subjects, so my dear students, you can struggle that subject. So that subject is yours very best like your subject. Okay my dear students. So now thank you my dear students.